Well, first of all, I saw Kathy come out of her comfort zone. If you've ever had conversations with Kathy one-on-one, you'll know our whole life history within the first 30 seconds of the conversation. But to come up and speak in public, that's a different subject. One person I miss here today that normally comes to each and every event, his name's Mike Farrell.
Yeah.
And Mike, you're probably there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take your role a little bit. Okay, Mike, towards the end, will sort of wrap up with some statistics and stuff like that. Don't worry, I don't have any. But he always issues some sort of a challenge. My challenge to the basically new EMPers, and actually to all EMPers, there's a tool that, in my personal opinion, is being underutilized. Okay? It's a tool that's available. There's some time commitments to it. But first of all, you have to think in terms of your business. You're the CEO of your business. If you look at any business out in the public, they issue reports. Their reports are to their board of directors. Their reports are to their employees. Their reports to their customers. We issue a report that's called an accountability report. It's to be submitted by every Sunday at midnight Central Time, right, Justin? Somewhere around there. The secret is that he taught me a long time ago, it doesn't mean you have to do it on Sunday. Make your week consistent that, like on weekends, we're out chasing soccer games and everything else. So Friday is my day to write my accountability report. Why do you want to write the accountability report? Well, when it gets submitted, it's put together, and then our CEO reviews it, okay? You're saying, well, I don't have anything to report. Well, start getting in the habit of, yeah, you're going to have good weeks, you're going to have bad weeks. Write some things in there, but think and focus of what are your successes, what are your challenges, and what are you looking to do the next week or so. She reviews those. So here's an opportunity that those who are not submitting the reports are missing out on. Getting a personal review from a top marketer, okay, to help you out. And the biggest area in my thing is, I said, what is your challenge for the week? I'm stumbling with this, all of a sudden you hear remarks that's put together. The other advantage is that you get to see and hear about other reports, and all of a sudden the light bulb goes off on, well, you're saying the people, the light bulb's going off, I forget the term that you use, but the light bulbs goes off, all of a sudden, oh, that applies to me, okay? And then thirdly is that when you're watching the review of the other reports, you start picking up on other people, and then when you're at events like this, you're looking who you can network with. Now, Ann is, she's stressing out a little bit because it's starting to take 2 hours to do the review. So next Sunday when it's put together, wouldn't it be wonderful if it had to take her 2 hours?